Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. I have an unboxing today for you from a place that I stumbled onto a couple of days ago, and I bumped into a shop called Kaisercraft in Mildura. Awesome store, absolutely love it. They have a really good range of their own branded diamond paintings, and they call them Kaiser Sparkle kits. Kaiser, I think that's how you say it. And they actually had quite a few different designs, and I thought, oh, I'm gonna have to check that out. So this particular one looks really cool. It is the Sydney Opera House, and I thought, wow, I'm gonna have to get that. They also had 30% off, which was even more incentive. So all their diamond painting kits come in these boxes, which I really like. And on the box there, it shows you the name plus the design size. So this one's 54 by 44 centimeters, and the canvas size is 60 by 50. And I've got a beautiful thumbnail there of what you're buying, and it also says what the box includes. So you get your tray and your canvas and all that sort of stuff. And what I really like is how on the box they show you a sample of what the design actually looks like. So I really like that. And on the back here, they've got your instructions. Very handy. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good. So we'll get stuck into this. Now, I haven't opened it, I just cut those little bits there, because otherwise I will be here for the next month trying to get those sticker seal things off. So you can see there, they've rolled it up and popped it in there. So there's your canvas, nothing else. Okay, so your canvas comes rolled up in this plastic sleeve, which I really like. And I need to get into it. Oh, there we go. Have a look inside. Okay. So this company, they have stores all across Australia. They also have an online store. I went into the Mildura one, and the staff there were absolutely lovely and knowledgeable. So I will definitely be going back there again. So this one is okay. Wow. Gee, that looks awesome. Oh gosh, I like that. So you got your canvas, you've got your drills, and a toolkit. So your toolkit comes with a drill tray, a comfort squeegee thingy for your drill pen, a drill pen, and you've got some little Ziploc bags in there and some wax. So we'll pop all them over there, and let's have a look at this canvas. My gosh, isn't that gorgeous? So the actual canvas itself is thick, it's pliable, it doesn't feel plasticky or anything like that. Traveled pretty well in the box, I reckon. Just got a couple little squishes there, but that'll all relax now that it's out of the box. So on your canvas here you have a symbol key there plus a thumbnail, and you have the same thing down below, just there. So in this one there are 19 colors. It looks really good actually, the drill field. They've printed it really nice and clear. So I'll just pull that back and have a sticky. So it's really sticky. Okay. Alright, so I'll zoom you in so you can have a look at that drill field. So that's looking really nice. So most of that you wouldn't actually, I reckon you could get away with not needing a light pad on that one. The purple's a little bit, having that dark color with the black writing is not ideal, but it's the only one in there, so it's not hard to see what you're doing. So doesn't that look nice and clear? Crystal clear. That's great. I'll show you that symbol key. There we go. So on the symbol key there, ooh, oh, symbol key there, you've got your symbols, and they are numbers and letters, which I really, really like. And you've got your DMC corresponding codes next door to it. This is a full drill round diamond painting. Gosh, I love that. That's awesome. Alright, so I'll zoom you back out again and we'll have a look at those drills. Wow. Okay, flipping her over. Okay, so your drills come in there like that. Okay. Right, so we've got some pretty browns, some pinks that look like the same color, yep, 18. So the drills look really, really good. I'm doing my first of their diamond paintings, a jellyfish at the moment, because I really wanted to see what kind of quality it was, and I'm really, really happy so far. The drills actually are really nice, and they do pick up the light really nicely. You get some good shine in there, and they've been really good quality actually. I've been really happy so far, and the glue has been really, really good as well. There we go, there's some more of your, I just love the colors. I love the dusty pinks. Very pretty. There you go, got some beiges and some browns. Pretty purple. Yeah, so they got some nice shine to them. I'm so happy I bumped into these guys, because I'll be buying some more of their diamond kits, the sparkle kits they call them. Focus. What are we doing? Some beautiful, beautiful colors. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so I'll flip you back over again. There you go, that's my Sydney Opera House. I love how they've done these sections. I love the colors. I reckon that's going to turn out so nice. I'm looking forward to getting stuck into that one, because I reckon that's going to come up really, really nice. I love the size too. It's a really good size. So there you go, there's my Sydney Opera House. Very, very happy with that. Kaisercrafts, they have stores everywhere in Australia and online as well. But if you're in the area, do check out the store in Mildura. A really great store. They got heaps of great stuff in there. I was in there for ages because they just had so many bits and pieces you wanted to look at. So there you go. I will be doing this one in the not too distant future, so I will be doing a separate video on that one to show you my works in progress and review on that one. But until then, Thank you so much for watching my unboxing video, and I will catch you next time. Thank you. Bye.